everybody? It's Tuned Up Ty back at it with another video. We're back at the main shop, JE Performance, and sorry for the long hiatus. We had a couple issues the past 2 months. First off, we broke the drive shaft while we were trying to prepare for race motive for I think it was back in April. So we broke our drive shaft on that, and not even a day after we got the car back, right? So that set us back a little bit. Right now it's still finishing up some of the panels. So after that, we're gonna start putting on some new pieces that we got for the car. I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit. We got some carbon shit that I'm gonna put on the front, back, and the sides. And then after that, we're gonna show how it looks like in the end. So first things first, for the X3, we got some carbon fiber grill pieces, and these all came from Alibaba, I'm not gonna lie, but the quality was well made. As you can see in the sunlight, this shit is glistening right now. So we're gonna be replacing the blacked out ones I have in the front with these carbon fibers front grills, and then also we're gonna be replacing with mirrors, turn signals, and as you can see, the diffuser we have in the back. All right, y'all, so first things first, just gonna use this shit, but you're just gonna use this to pick tool, put in between 1, 2, 3, same thing here, 1, 2, 3. Once that releases the clip, you should be able to pull it right out, and then from there, we put in the carbon fiber ones. All right, y'all, so this is the installation. As you can see, it's on the car seamlessly. Fitment's pretty good. That's probably like the most quickest install or mod that you're gonna see on this car so far. I'm not gonna lie, when you take off your original ones, you are gonna break some tabs, so get ready for that. That's like almost inevitable, but if you're gonna be replacing it, it shouldn't really affect you. But yeah, now you can really see the V bars that we have in red. And yeah, so I'm gonna try and get some pictures outside in the sunlight for you guys, and then we'll go from there. All right, y'all, so we took off the old diffuser, and now we just put on the carbon fiber one, and this is how it looks. It looks pretty good. You still gotta hook up this LED part to the harness right here. But as of right now, it looks pretty good. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. The fitment is a bitch. I'm not gonna even lie to you guys. This might even pop out if I hit a pothole. I'm not gonna lie. The clips is mad hard to get into the holes. But I mean, as of right now, it's in that shit. So all we gotta do now is put the clips, like the bolts right here, all the way around, and then wire this piece to that tail light right there. And then shout out this nigga Jamal.
Right here.
He's fixing up the rest of the suspension right now as we put this shit in. All right, y'all, so we wrapping it up right now. We finished up all the wiring. What you're gonna do, once you have the diffuser wire exposed, what we did, we just popped this bumper out a teeny bit, and then we ran the wire up all the way through this channel into this little hole right here. From that, you could like just see all the way down to where the heat shield is under here. And there's gonna be 3 wires, black, yellow, and red, that come with the diffuser. You're gonna connect the black wire from the diffuser to the brown on the housing, the the harness, and then we connect the yellow wire to the red. Was it? Yeah, we connect the yellow to the yellow harness to the red wire on the
yellow to green.
Yellow to green. So yellow wire that's on the harness on the diffuser down here to the green that's on the car, and then the last one, which was red, we connected that to the I think red. I lost track already, but that's how it's gonna look.
Red to yellow, yellow to green.
Red to yellow, yellow to green, and then black to brown. And then with that, you will have this light up with the brake lights right here. Yo, Rick, press the brake pad. And then boom, it flashes once you press the brakes. So right now we're just finishing up with the bolts right here. We're gonna put the rest of the bolts. This right here is not sealed. So when you buy this, make sure that you put some either 3M tape or you wanna put some glue to fully have the tow hook. The tow hook sealed onto the actual diffuser. Because without that, it's gonna fly away. But right now, this is how it looks so far. It looks pretty aggressive, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, right now the only thing that's pissing me off right here likes to pop out a teeny bit, same way on the other side right there. So I'm gonna try and find a way to either put some glue or maybe just try and like keep pushing it in. But for now, this is how it looks. All right, y'all, so right now we about to hop into doing the mirror cap and turn signal. So in order to do this, you just pop off the mirrors. I think I showed you guys. Pop it off with a wedge tool in between that little line, that crack. Then you'll be revealed with this.
And your T10s in the back.
You're gonna use, we get on this side. T10s to remove 1, 2, 3. After that, that should allow you to pop off the turn signal, and same reverse back when you're putting a new turn signal in. You push it in, put the same T10s, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then once you finish all that with the cap, put the glass right back into. So let's get right into that. We're gonna remove the turn signal part. So with this, there's a little clip right here which you're gonna press down, pull out, and then from here you can wiggle out the turn signal. All right, now, so we putting in the turn signal, and then like we just removed the OEM one. It's just like you wiggle it out, you wiggle it back in. Just when you get onto the opposite side, there's gonna be some T10s that you're gonna have to screw back in, which we're gonna show you right now. And these will be the screws for the turn signal. The one that's on the right corner right here that we're doing. Don't forget to do that bottom one. And then also there's one right there. And then with those, that should be able to secure your turn signal. So sit flush all around.